It might look like we're running a cat rescue, and well, we kind of are. The cat that lives on our farm had kittens, and now we're stuck with them. So, we might as well have a catnip kitty party, right? Today we're checking out these catnip-filled cat toys and springs from JETCZO. It comes with 3 different catnip-filled toys. The plush toys are made out of a soft material and make the perfect little kickers. Then it comes with 4 spiral springs that are fun to roll around the house and chase. Then it comes with a pack of needles. Now we're not playing with voodoo dolls here. The inside of the plush cat toys have a sealed bag of catnip to make sure the catnip stays fresh and is ready for your kitty. So you can use the needle to puncture little holes in the baggie inside. This allows the catnip smell to slowly escape while they play and helps keep it fresh for much longer. We threw down the kicker and it was an immediate hit. Our older kitties had a blast laying around and kicking the crap out of the toys while they get zonked on the nip. Then the kittens had the time of their lives chasing the springs through the house, causing a ruckus. They would even pick the springs up in their mouths and run around with them. It's big enough they can't eat them, but light enough that they could easily launch the springs around the room. Every so often, it'll be nice and quiet, and then a kitty finds a spring, and then zoomies. They've been having a blast with this set. The kickers are holding up, and I keep finding the older cats laying with them. I think they like the nip a little too much. But I think the real hit are the springs. They've had so much fun chasing them around the house. Normally, our cats just play in the bag that the toys came in, but they actually love these toys and play with all of them. So I couldn't be happier to see a house full of happy kittens. So if you'd like to get a set for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go play with my new voodoo doll. I mean cat toy. See ya.